All right, back for more. Today we're going to do example 2, or review problem number 2. If you're in my Math 113, so these videos are going out to my Math 113 and all my pre-calc classes. So we're all doing the exact same thing, okay? If you were in 113, this is page 75 if you have a book. Lesson 2.4. If you're just in my pre-cal, second period, fourth period, or sixth period as well, these would have been packets, handouts I would have given you, worksheets I would have given you, and those worksheets are page, somewhere around 77 to 79, something like that, okay? This problem's not bad, okay? One real quick note. This does require a calculator. You're not going to be allowed to get back in the schools right now to get calculators, graphing calculators. Don't panic over that, okay? Don't worry about that right now. A scientific calculator is perfectly fine. Using it on your phone is perfectly fine. That's how I worked it out earlier was with my phone. But this problem right here, like I said, this is not going to give us much issue, okay? And then the next example 3 problem we do the next time, it might be a little bit trickier, but for this, we're going to do really well, okay? So this is right triangle trick. Everybody has done a really good job with this. The problem, this is a review problem 2, as I said. It says if for the right triangle ABC, so we got a triangle ABC, A is equal to 29.43 centimeters and C is equal to 53.58 centimeters, find the measure of A, okay? When you were working these problems, guys, you were finding all the measures. So for here, it's just asking us to find one measure, okay? Measure A. So we're going to have to sketch out a triangle, okay? Again, we're going to sketch out this triangle. It's a right triangle, so I know that it's going to look something like this, okay? I'm not worried about drawing it to scale, okay? I'll call this, make sure y'all can see that. I'll call this A, this B, this C, okay? I usually always make my hypotenuse C. My right angle. Side C is always the hypotenuse. Side A, that's the side opposite of angle A, so this is 29.43. Side C, so this is the hypotenuse, that is 53.58, okay? So that's the 2 things they give us, okay? And plus they give us the right angle. Now, all they're asking us to do is find angle A. So I don't really care what side B is. I don't care about anything else. The only thing I care about is what is angle A, okay? So to find angle A, I'm going to say, okay, how do I find this angle given the 2 sides? Here's angle A. This side is opposite. This side is hypotenuse, okay? Opposite over hypotenuse. That's all overhead. That's sine, okay? So that's going to be sine of A is equal to opposite, which is 29.43, divided by hypotenuse, 53.58. Now, the one thing you absolutely must know, when we are solving for angles, okay, let me get my calculator. We are solving for angles. That is where we're not using the sine, cosine, and tangent button, okay? We're using the buttons above them, the ones you access by hitting second. So where it says sine -1, cosine -1, tangent -1. We're using those buttons, okay? So for this problem, what we're going to do is, this is how you will punch it into your calculator, and it's different on the calculators, but angle A is going to be equal to, and I'm putting approximately, okay? Sine -1, 29.43 divided by 53.58. Okay? And you do all this on your calculator. Scientific calculator works for this, okay? Works just as well as a graphing calculator. calculator on your phone works. Now, we got to be careful about that come test time. Okay, I know that. We got to get some stuff worked out. But most of you probably have a scientific calculator that you can work on, okay? So, let me try to show you this. Make sure that your calculator, if you're in mode, make sure you go to degrees. See, mine's in radians, okay? Make sure it's in degrees. So, again, I knew that. Because, well, you'll see that the multiple choice answers right here. We're dealing with degrees, okay? We're dealing with side lengths right here. So we're dealing with right triangle. So just make sure that your calculator is in degrees. So all we're going to do right here for this calculator, we're going to go second tangent -1, okay? So it looks like that, all right? And then we can just go 29.43 divided by 53.58. Okay? Enter. And when you get that, you get 28 point, and we'll call that 78. 28.78. Now, they may tell you to round up. They may tell you to do some other things. But for this problem, let me make sure, guys. I might have hit something wrong right here. For some reason. Let me make sure I did not do the... Oh. Okay, I'm an idiot. Look what I have punched in there. Like I said 1,000 times, guys. If you can learn from me, you can learn from anybody, okay? Again, I'm not going to delete this video because I did that. As you can tell, what have I got in there? Got tangent, okay? I was asked that question like y'all were about to answer me. I'm sorry. So it's not tangent, you moron. It is clear that it's sine. So second sine, okay? 29.43 divided by 53.58. Okay, enter, and then you get 33.32. Boy, I know this is just loads of fun watching me talk to you and punch stuff in a calculator, okay? So we can call that 33.32 degrees. I apologize. I'm not going to delete the video because I made a mistake, because you can't do that in the classroom. The first time I used tangent for some reason, okay? I have no idea why I did, but it's sine. Y'all see that? Okay, I've got sine written up there. So the final answer is A is approximately 33.32 degrees. All right. So what I'll do is I will post I'll post this video, obviously. I will post your problems, okay, your assignment. Couple problems just like that. Please make sure you're doing these. Very, 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 very important to make sure you're doing these, to stay on task, and to make sure, because again, at the end of the semester, okay, for 113 a little bit earlier than the others. That's around May 5th, May 6th. For some of you others, we're doing 10 problems, okay? And then each day after I do the problem, I'm going to go in the Google Classroom. I'll try to make it easier, as far as wasn't very user-friendly the last time. With the Google Classroom, as far as, you know, you can always just take a picture and attach it, just whatever, okay? I would like to make it a little bit more user-friendly, where you can just go and bam, type your answer, put your answer in, and then I can check it that way. But it's kind of tough sometimes because of all the math notation that's hard to get on the Google Classroom. So I'm still working with that, and but we'll get it figured out. So again, I'll have those problems up. 1 or 2 problems like this shouldn't be a problem. Y'all are all very smart. You'll all do a really good job. So I'll see y'all next time.